Okay, we actually got it started, or we got the starter working, and it just clunks. And then we pulled off the flywheel cover, and we could not turn the flywheel. So we are doing one more thing. Angel thinks that the engine is blown and locked up from that, and if that's the case, we're going to pull this oil filter off and find metal in it, and that would explain why the ripper's in the ground back there and why it hasn't been touched in 7 years. So this is where we find out what it is.
Yikes. lot of good stuff.
Is that bad?
That's bad.
Okay. Metal.
So it is locked up. That's why it's parked the way it is.
Okay. So much for my rescue video of showing us getting this thing started and driving it off the mountain. Kind of a dud.